G'day, it's Austin, and if you stick around for this video, I'll just show you how I made $4,600 yesterday without doing anything lol. I've always wanted to use lol in a YouTube title. So I'll show you some proof straight away so we can get that out the way. This is on Triple Whale, e-com platform that puts your Shopify data, Facebook ads, everything in one place so we can see net profit. And you'll see that I didn't say made 8K yesterday because I wanted to say it in profit numbers because that is real. So if we go to yesterday, and we switch it to Aussie dollars, because I'm an Aussie if you can't hear by my accent, $4,600. There you go, your net profit yesterday. Love to see it. So that's some proof on Triple Whale. Now the business model that I use to make this kind of money, and this is just on one particular day, if I even look for the last 90 days, there we go, 360K net profit. It's called building a customer first e-commerce brand. It's basically a branded dropshipping store. And so this is the same strategy I've used. This is one of my stores recently launched. And so great results here. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how this business model works. And then you can give it a crack for yourself if you want to. First one, we need to find the product itself. So some different product research tools I like. One of them is Minea. It shows you winning ads that are being run on Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok. I just use the Facebook tab, to be honest. I just find that better to find products. And then you can use Facebook ad library if you want to. Use all my ads here that I'm running for my free course. But if we search something like Afterpay, available, good spelling, hit search. This shows all of the ads that are using that keyword in their ads. And chances are, if they're saying Afterpay available, if they're saying free shipping, if they're saying something else that an e-com brand would say, then it's likely an e-commerce store. So we can see some products here. We've got this one, Earth's Water. I've seen this pop up before as well. We have a look at what they're doing. Selling tap filters, different water related products. That's a bit loud. Bottled water, it's overpriced, full of microplastics. Join thousands in making the switch to cleaner, better tasting water. Yeah, it looks like a pretty good ad. Good social proof, over 1,600 5-star reviews supposedly. We can check that out and see if they're telling the truth. Let's hit shop now. Let's open up their store. But this is the first step here. We need to find a product that is already working out there in the market. You don't want to create something new. The key to making these kind of numbers, and these aren't particularly massive, it's just a random Thursday was yesterday. So I just wanted to show you that on a random Thursday, you can make that kind of money if you follow and build a branded and trustworthy Shopify store following this method. And so, yeah, that's an example there. Got the product. And this would be how I'd find those products. So we click, I've actually got a shower filter here. I've got other products as well. Great. So that's how you go about finding a product that you could build a store around. But then you actually need to build a store because no one's just going to buy it from you if you don't have, even if you have good ads, you need to send them to a store. Here's an example I built called Pure Water. Sells similar products, funnily enough. And one of the main products is a shower head, a mineral shower head here. I built this store live in a 6.5-hour course video I made on this YouTube channel. So I'll link this at the end. You can go and check it out if you would like. It's free and you can go and see everything. I actually build Pure Water live during the video, the whole store from start to finish. And I launch it and it's profitable. Woohoo! So it shows you that the method works. So then that's an example. And we need suppliers to fulfill the product from. So we need someone we can actually buy the product from and send it to the customer when we get orders in. Let's click on this one. I search mineral shower head on ebay.com.au. Why eBay? Well, part of building a customer first brand, which is the method that has allowed me to make these kind of numbers, is that we look for local suppliers. Wherever possible, we sell from local suppliers with local warehouses because the product will get to the customer more quickly, which is very valuable in your marketing. And I just find it's a better way to do things. You sacrifice a bit of margin for the ability to fulfill from a local supplier instead. So we've got this one here. Shipping times are pretty decent. Ideally, you'd look for ones that are faster. One of the benefits of, I guess, shipping from New South Wales or Victoria, if you're in Australia, is that you should have fast shipping. So we've got a supplier. We can now build a store like this, and you could just go on Pure Water and copy me if you want to. Not the actual product, because then there'll be hundreds of people that will sell this, and it's not going to work for any of you if everyone just does the same thing. But in this course video, I show you how to do everything, but that's what we need. We need to find a product that's already doing well. We then need to look at what they're doing. Oh, they blocked me because I'm in the Middle East. Then you need to create a store branded and trustworthy using the elements of a great store, which I show you in this 6.5-hour course video. I even give you a template for the store, which is the same one I use to build this Shopify store. So you can just copy and paste it and then go through it step by step. And it'll show you how to customize everything as well. It's all in there. See that down the bottom? Look at all that stuff. A lot of stuff going on. And then you find a supplier, local supplier, that when you do get orders on your store, after you advertise it in the next step, which we'll talk about, then you can send it to the customer. Happy days. And then you need ads, because we need people to know about all the amazing things that we've done. So in here, this video, I actually show you how to make an ad, and I show you how to source the content online. So when it's testing at the start, you just want to find stuff that's already online. You want to find it from Amazon reviews. You want to find it from photos that are online from your suppliers, videos that they've uploaded. Collate all that content together. Use a free online tool like Clipchamp or CapCut to clip it all together, and then you can use that to start with. Then once you are getting sales, then of course you can get some content made, work with an influencer, get some content, a UGC creator to make some content, and then you can use that in your ads. So that's the steps there. You need to find the product, you need to build a website, you need to find a supplier, and you need to start running ads to get sales. And that's the exact formula that I've used to make that kind of money. And this is just one of my stores. Maybe I should open up another store as well and just show you. Let's open up another one. We've got this one here, last 365 days, 3 mil. If I hit refresh, because it's very important to refresh so you know it's real. Last 365 is that. If I go back in time, I slap this back to 2022. Hit apply. 13.2 mil from this one store alone, and this is a different store to the one I've showed you here. So just to show that this does work and that you can make really good money still with e-commerce and with dropshipping if you do it the right way. And so if you want a full step-by-step guide, go and check out that 6.5-hour course video. I'll link it up on the screen now. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.